Okay, next we're going to do the pin slide block. So if we take a look at this, there's the part we've already imported. Let's go look at the slider block annotated multi-view drawing. And if we look at that, we see there's the top front right. We see that hole is actually dimensioned from the bottom, and at first glance it might look like just a simple hole, but what we actually have is a counterbore hole drilled from the bottom side. So that's 165 thousandths through, 177 thousandths. That is the diameter of the counterbore, and 633 thousandths would be the depth of the counterbore. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to our part. I'm going to flip this around so that I can select the bottom side of the slider to do my sketch. Okay, and for some reason they got this part built kind of wonky. Let's create a point on that bottom side, and let's dimension that. D for dimension tool. So we'll dimension from that edge to the center. Should be a distance of 0.875 inches. And the distance to the side, it's in the middle, so it's 367 thousandths. I'll finish my sketch, grab my hole tool, and I'm going to select the counterbore, not simple hole, but the counterbore hole. The distance is through all. The hole diameter is 165 thousandths. The counterbore diameter is 177 thousandths. The counterbore depth, 633 thousandths. I go ahead and say OK. And there we go. There is my hole. Okay, go ahead and make sure you save this file. And that's the pin slider.